What up, YouTube? I'm just on another job, and I didn't know if you guys would be interested in this video or not, so I'm going to make one, post it on here, and hopefully you guys can enjoy it. But the trim around this window is the only thing that I got to paint, so in order to do that, I got to clean up the part where the trim ties into the actual window itself. So right now I'm cleaning out the old tape line or paint line, and then I'm gonna put down a new one. If you want, I'm gonna add the other video where I'm actually taping and backfilling it to get a nice straight line down it again. So when I pull it, it'll have a nice clean cut line. But right now I'm just going through there getting that old paint that's on there now off because it's chipping and peeling and cracking and missing caulking here and there. So I'm just cleaning that tape line out, and then I'm gonna reapply it with a new tape line, and then I'm gonna put 2 coats of paint on it. But I'm gonna try to make a video to show from the beginning how to do it, because if you notice, the window that I'm cutting up against is plastic, so it's not necessarily paintable anyway. So the supervisor said he didn't want to paint it. He just wanted me to do the trim, which is the wood around it. So that's what he's getting. But this is something new that I haven't done a video on yet, so I can really give you guys something a little different. But I hope you enjoy, and God bless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I need all the subscribers I can get. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, and if there's something that you are needing help with, maybe I'm in the middle of doing it myself and I can make a video for you and show you how we do it, as far as someone that does it every day. And hit that like button, because it helps. It all helps. And anything to get my channel monetized faster, I'd be super grateful for it. But love you. I hope you enjoy. I hope this helps. It's all fun doing it. Love you.